Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Uttar Pradesh fought coronavirus better than America, says PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday launched a 125-day campaign in Uttar Pradesh to provide employment to migrant workers and those who worked due to coronavirus lockdown. PM Modi launched the Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan on Friday, part of the Garib Kalyan Yojana Abhiyan, which the PM stated on June 20 across 6 states in India. As people joined the event through Common Service Centre and Krishi Vigyan Kendra, PM Modi interacted with villagers from 6 districts during the launch. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while virtually inaugurating the Atmanirbhar UP Rozgar Abhiyan, a scheme that will provide employment to 1.25 crore people, praised the Yogi Adityanath government for successfully handling the ongoing COVID-19 situation and said that the crisis has been turned into an opportunity in Uttar Pradesh. Comparing the COVID-19 situation in UP with the countries UK, Italy, Spain and France, PM Modi said, UP has a population of around 24 crore people, which is equal to the combined population of England, Italy, Spain and France. These 4 countries have reported 1.3 lakh deaths in UP. Around 600 deaths have been reported so far. Every death is unfortunate, but the way the state succeeded and handled the situation is unprecedented and praiseworthy. It is because UP CM Yogi Adityanath understood the seriousness of the crisis and focused on improving the health infrastructure. We can say that the government has managed to save at least 85,000 lives. His government has been working tirelessly to benefit migrant workers and providing free ration to the poor. This is a double engine government which has combined the welfare scheme of both center and state to provide employment to people, particularly the migrant workers. Only 30 lakhs migrant workers turned to UP safely in Shramik special trains arranged by the government. The UP government act very promptly in providing free ration to the poor and migrant workers under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Those ration cards were also benefited. In addition to this, about rupees 5,000 crore was also directly transferred to Jan Dhan accounts of 75 lakhs poor women, added PM Modi. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.